Kiss and W's. Brawlers. Come back southwest. They're popping OC. Everyone OC now. Scatter. Look east of us. Look on Barret. North is in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East of us on Barret. Drop everything on Barret.
Nice deletion.
Kills. Kiss and W's. Look northwest, go inside of them. Kiss and W's, inside of them. Kills and Come south, everyone, come south. Looking to engage hard north. We're gonna full engage hard north in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Full engage hard north. And Barret, drop everything. Three of them. Wipe them. Walk south, hit them and walk south. Kill this Grail Seeker. Kill this Grail Seeker. Kill this Grail Seeker, man. Kill this Grail Seeker. Then walking south tayo kaagad. Just kill this Grail Seeker, then walk south. Do not trash talk. Walk south. Heals, stabilize. Do not trash talk. Heals now.
We're kiting northeast. I repeat, we kite northeast. Do not go deep. We kite northeast. Everyone, we kite northeast. Stabilize. We kite northeast. Queenash, can you give this an engage on our west? Look west. Queenash, engage on our west. Look west, guys. Kiss and W's inside. Brawlers come inside. Kiss and W's. Brawlers, don't be scared. And brawl. Okay, look west. We're gonna engage west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hard west, guys. On Barret. Drop everything on Barret. Ito na lang, ito clearer nila. Ready defensive. Nag-fight sila. Kiss and W's, walk over them. Kiss and W's, guys. Dropping Judy here. Kill these people inside the bat. Come east. Defensive. Come east. We kite east. Defensive, guys. Look southwest. We're looking southwest on Barret. Last engage on southwest. We clear this in 3, 2, 1. Southwest on Barret. Drop everything on Barret. Why did someone throw that? Someone here. Look south. Walk over them. Kiss and W's. Brawlers, don't be scared. Harass them. They're dying. Brawlers, don't be scared. Come south. We're gonna engage south in 5 seconds. Kiss and W's, their demon armor. Look south, they're defensive now. Look south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huge engage south. On Barret. Defensive. Look west. We're kiting northwest. Everyone, kite northwest. We're kiting northwest. Everyone, we're kiting northwest. I repeat, on Barret. We're kiting northwest. Stabilize. We're going northwest. Everyone, we go northwest. Too much fight. Everyone, go northwest. Let's start our fight. Come northwest. We're gonna get third party here. Come northwest. Look east. We're gonna counter east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll engage east on Barret. Huge clump on Barret. We're kiting north. Listen to calls. Ba't kayo pumapasok? Sabi ko, back na. Yung iba dyan, nandun pa rin sa loob. Sabi ko, fight northwest. At nasa east pa rin. Namamatay kayo. Patay tuloy dyan. Wala kayong reason na. Do not pop OC. Actually, pop OC na. Stand sa fight. Look southeast. Pop OC. Everyone pop OC. Look southeast. Walk southeast. We're gonna look enough east as well. 3, 2, 1. East of us, guys. Go deep. East of us. Go deep. On Barret. East of us. Defensive. Si Poy namatay sa ana. Nice damage. Keep dropping. They're low. Come northwest. Stabilize northwest. Brawlers don't be scared. Come northwest. We kite northwest. Brawlers don't be scared. Kite northwest. Lahat ng range, lahat ng mag-engage, kite northwest. We stabilize northwest. We back northwest. Come northwest. Listen to pulse. Come northwest on Barret. Look on our east side. We're walking northeast. I repeat, come to Barret. We're walking northeast on Barret. Look east of us. We engage east of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East of us, guys. On Barret. Kill this guy. Kill this one. Don't follow this guy. Dunk this guy. Kill this guy. They're dismounting. Come northwest. They're dismounting, guys. Come northwest. Come north of us. Defensive. Come north of us. Look southeast, guys. Look southeast. Look southeast, heals muna, heals. Come north, come north, come north. We go up north, we go up north. Up the choke, north, up the choke north, up the choke north. Up the choke north, up the choke north. Buhay pa sana yung buong party natin dito if hindi makulit yung iba dun sa ano. Dun sa sinasabi ko kahit northwest. Masyado kayong deep eh. Sabi ko kahit northwest, nasa east pa rin tayo. Look south of us, look southwest of us. Look southwest of us, come up the choke, come up the choke. Look southwest of us, we engage southwest of us in 3, 2, 1. Full engage southwest of us. On Barry, huge clamp, huge clamp, huge clamp, as in huge clamp. Defensive, 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 defensive now, defensive now. Nice engage. Come northeast, come kite northeast guys, kite northeast. Kite northeast, kite northeast. That defensive, UV and everything. Pop resist, pop resist, pop resist, pop resist, pop resist, pop resist guys. I repeat, pop resist, pop your resist, pop your resist. Pop your resist, pop your resist. So much. Look northeast of us, last engage. Sayang kasi yung kanina men, nagpapapak ako sa northwest. Back northwest na, back northwest. I-regroup. Nice fight. Daming kalaban men. Then, kaya nyo yung proper builds. Ganda na sana eh, kung yung ano, sila 6-2 kasi yun, I believe yung root bound natin nasa east side. Meron ba tayong clip dyan para mapakita natin kung ano yung sinasabi ko?
Keep walking northeast. Hold this choke. I want defensive tanks holding this choke. Good job. Keep walking southwest. Okay, come northeast. Batalas getting pushed. Okay, look west, Sardine west, engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Unbarried. Huge clap, unbarried. Inside. Okay, now we run. Napush sila ng hounds. Napush sila ng hounds. Kite out. Come northeast yung mga buhay pa. Kite northeast kayo, pre. Kite northeast. Napush sila ng hounds. We get like. Marami tayong napatay. Good job, guys. Good job. Nice use of utils, legit. Okay, pre. Kita yung Easter chest. Regroup tayo dun sa Easter chest. Barik, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Was unbarik. On my clamp. Was unbarik. We're gonna regroup south. Done. Pop your resist, everyone. We're gonna regroup on the south of the choke. We're gonna 5. In my east side, we're gonna go deep east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go deep east, pre. Go deep east. Kahit wala akong mahuli. Okay, everyone back now. Patay lahat ang dito, pre. Back northwest. Maging manok. Just run away. Defensive tanks hold. Just keep running northwest. Pop your resist spots. Resist spots. Sabag ba kayo dyan? Resist spots. Come north. Inahabol na tayo. Namatay hounds na wipe. I don't know how. Yung crawling. Roll.
What the fuck, bigla nag-
Okay.
Makan na web, sir.
Ito pre, engage sa ano, huge cam to. Harap pa kayo.
Oh, my friend, naglaro ko bigla.
Tapusin po.
Ang bilis na ubos ng hands, ah.
Kaya nga eh, I don't know what happened to them, bro.
Tangina na nagpunta ka sana sa mga homes.